Stop moving, stop moving. Dude, park the car, man. Dude, you just blew the red, man. Your vehicle's still moving, man. Hit your parking brake up.
What you just saw is real. This is actual body cam footage from a nighttime crash in Wisconsin. A teenager runs a red light, wipes out a police squad car, brings down a traffic light pole, which lands directly on top of his own vehicle. 2 people in the car, officer in the squad. Nobody died. But the night is just getting started, because what comes next is one of the most revealing police interactions you're going to see. Let's get into it.
Stop. Dude, stop moving, stop moving. Dude, park the car, man.
Yeah, no, I didn't see it.
84 negative. Are you good?
Me? Yeah, I'm good.
Are you hurt?
I just got some glass in there. Whoa.
So step over here with me. I mean, you got some good damage here, man. I think my squad car could be totaled. Yeah. Doesn't look good, man.
What?
I think my squad car could be totaled.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Do you have an ID on you, man?
You guys got a Jade or something? It's cold as shit.
Do we have a what?
A Jade.
No.
It's cold as shit.
I can.
I just bought this car like 4 weeks ago.
Yeah, literally.
Sure.
Do you have an ID on you, man?
I did not even see the red light and fucking...
Yeah. It's all good, man.
So here's where the story starts. The officer asks the obvious question: what happened? And the driver's first explanation is not what you'd expect. It's not distraction. It's not speeding. His very first answer is that he had to use the bathroom so badly that he just wasn't paying attention. Now, we've all had a bathroom emergency. But the officers on scene hear this, and they keep their faces straight, because they already know something the driver doesn't know they know yet. One of the first responders spotted something through the window of that car. Something that changes the whole story.
I was running to my place and I just shit so fucking bad. I think I might shit my pants, to be honest with you.
Okay. I mean, you're just not paying attention?
I was not paying attention at all.
Okay. You had anything to smoke tonight?
Me?
Anything to drink?
No.
No?
I smoked a joint like 3 days ago.
Okay.
That was it. I smoked inside in my car. But no, I'm not under the influence of anything.
CSE said he saw a bong in the car.
Okay.
But he said he hadn't smoked in 3 days. He seems really off.
Do you remember what happened? I was looking at my phone at the time, so like I knew we were coming around the corner here to take a right, and I
think I was just going a little bit too fast, you know.
He's gonna hit me for sure. So I kind of angle my squad, and he kind of angles towards like going west, and it strikes my front passenger wheel well, and it goes into the hole.
What did he say about it?
Didn't see the red light. Said he had to go to the bathroom really bad.
Okay. Any signs of intoxication that you could get?
He seems really off.
At this point, the officers have 2 things working in their heads simultaneously. 1, the driver said he smoked 3 days ago and hasn't had anything tonight. 2, there's a bong sitting visible inside the car, and multiple officers on scene are saying this kid seems off. Not belligerent, not aggressive, just off, slow, circling. And the story keeps shifting slightly every time he's asked a question. So now, one officer decides to have a much more direct conversation. Just the 2 of them.
Okay, so I want you to be honest with me. You smoked some weed today?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, pretty recently.
Very recently?
Yeah.
Probably like 2 hours ago.
Okay. How much?
How much?
Like, do you feel pretty high? Because you seem pretty high.
No, I'm not high.
You don't feel high?
No.
I see there's a bong in the car.
Yeah, I just bought it from the one place.
Okay.
Smokes for less. I'm Southside.
Okay, so when did you smoke? 2 hours ago, you said?
2 hours ago, yeah.
At your house or where?
In my house, just at a buddy's.
At a buddy's?
Yeah.
Like south side, north side?
South side.
Okay.
Down to the south side, smokes about a new bong.
How much did you smoke? Like, be honest.
I haven't even smoked that new piece in there.
How much did you smoke 2 hours ago?
Oh, like a couple one hitters.
A couple one hitters. Is that normal or?
Yeah, that's normal.
Okay. Do you have anything on you?
No, you can search my pockets if you want.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just hold on to that.
And I got my wallet right here.
Is that just a vape?
Yeah, that's
see
a
that?
vape. Yep.
Is this a weed vape?
No, not a weed vape. You can go ahead and test it and all that. You pull this thing out right here.
Pull it up.
Hey, CJ,
Yeah,
it's
pull it up.
CJ's. Here. You can throw the juice in this to do if you want to. You can go ahead and do whatever type of test you have to do on it though.
Okay. But you can put it back in your pocket.
Alright.
I'm gonna write you through some tests to make sure you're gonna be driving. Since you've been smoking weed and you got in an accident. Okay.
Okay.
Is that pretty fair?
That's hurts
So
me.
you don't really remember what happened, or because you weren't looking, or because you were going too fast, or like kind of walk me through.
I
what
feel like
you
I was just going too fast to be honest. I got a new car and
How fast do you think you were going?
probably like 10 over the speed limit.
So like 35,
Yeah, 35.
and you were coming this way from the marsh, from like Menards. and
Yeah.
You were taking a right here to go home.
Yep.
Okay. And you didn't see that you had a red light or not?
Did I see if I had a red light or not? No.
2 hours ago. That's the new answer. Not 3 days, 2 hours, and 35 miles per hour through a red light intersection at night. The officer files that away and moves straight into the field sobriety tests. Now, these tests, the HGN, the walk and turn, the one-leg stand, they're specifically designed to detect impairment from drugs and alcohol. And what's about to happen on this sidewalk is going to confirm everything the officers already suspected. Watch this.
Can you see my finger?
Yep.
I want you to follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, and don't move your head. You understand, Jake?
Yep.
Keep watching my finger. Just track it with your eyes. Hey, you're not watching my finger.
No, that's my finger. Sorry, I've never done this
It's okay.
before.
Just like you're watching it. Everywhere my finger goes, your eyes go. Ready?
Okay.
Are you not able to do this?
Me? No.
You're not doing it. You're like looking past it and before it. Just like if you were to watch like a baseball game, so you watch my finger, you got to keep your eyes right on the tip of my
Right.
finger.
If
Okay?
you guys think I'm drunk or something, I can do a
No,
breathalyzer.
this is just a test we have to do.
Oh,
I got
okay.
and I got you. I need you to follow my finger. Okay?
Okay.
Just keep following it. Alright, don't move your head though. Ready? Tilt your chin down a little. Okay, just watch my finger.
Alright, sorry, my
Keep watching
apologies.
it. Keep watching it. Can you see it way out here?
Yep.
You're not looking at my finger though. You're looking like at my
Oh,
wrist.
sorry.
Tip of my finger, right here.
Tip your finger, alright.
Don't look away from it. It's better. Keep watching it. Okay. Okay, stand normal.
Stand over?
Yep. Alright. Give you one more chance to be honest with me.
Alright.
You're on something else.
Alright.
You're on something else.
I'll be honest with you, I took good Xanax.
Yep.
Yesterday.
No. You took that way more recent than yesterday.
More recently yesterday.
Just be honest with me. Like, be straight so I can get this
Alright.
solved. But I can tell you're not normal. Like,
I'll
something like
admit,
it's affecting you.
I'll take a half. I took a half of one.
Like,
Probably
just
like,
when you smoked 2 hours ago or what?
yeah, when I smoked 2
You
hours
took
ago.
a half of Xanny?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like you took a lot more than a half, to be honest, man. It's messing
No, I
you up
took-
pretty good.
I took a half. I don't know. These things fucked me up.
Yeah.
I just got so much shit going through my mind,
Yeah.
you know, and it's just.
Okay. Okay. Alright, just hang tight with this guy really quick, okay? Don't go anywhere. Just hold on. Hey, Sarge. Did you get pictures?
Yes.
Okay.
I haven't
he's
got
here.
pictures of the inside yet.
Okay. There's not. He's on Xanax too. I got nystagmus like crazy. So. Take your hands out of your pockets. I want you to imagine there's a straight line in front of you.
Okay.
Alright, Jake? I want your left foot on that line and then I want your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe, and I want you to stand like that.
Okay.
Just like that. Don't move until I tell you, understand?
Okay.
So when I say go, Jake, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps down this line,
Yep.
turn around, and take 9 heel to toe steps back, okay?
Okay.
Watch me, I'll demonstrate. You're gonna go just like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. When you get to 9, you keep your front foot down to do a series of small steps,
Alright.
and you turn around, do 9 back. 1, 2, 3, and all the way to 9, okay?
Alright.
While you're doing this test, Jake, hey, look at me. While you're doing this test, I want you to keep your hands down at your side,
Okay.
count your feet, count your steps out loud,
Alright.
okay? Keep watching your feet, and don't stop walking till you've completed the test.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yep, I understand.
Do you have any
sir.
questions?
Nope.
Okay, get back in the starting position first. Right foot in front.
Right foot in front.
Right foot in front of your left. Right foot in front. Put your right foot in front first. Okay, now you can begin if you understand.
Alright. Mississippi. Oh, shit. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. 5 Mississippi. 6 Mississippi. 7 Mississippi. 9 Mississippi. 10 Mississippi. Let's rotate.
Yep, just like I explained.
Alright. Then 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi.
Okay.
Am I going to jail for this?
I don't know right now, but no, probably not. Okay, heels and toes touching,
Heels and toes touching.
hands down at your side. So for this one, I want you to lift up one of your feet 6 inches off the ground with your toe pointed out, and just hold it there 1001, 1002, and just hold it there and keep counting until I say stop.
Okay.
Okay, watch, I'll demonstrate. You can pick whatever foot. You're gonna go like this: 1001, 1002, 1003. Hold on. Okay, see how my foot is?
Yeah, like this?
Yep, and you're gonna keep doing that until I tell you to stop. Okay.
Okay.
While you're doing this test, hold on. I want your hands down at your side.
Okay.
I want you to look at your foot, count out loud, and don't stop until you've completed the test.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, I'm not that good about.
That's okay. Do you have any questions on how to do it?
No, I got it.
You got it? Okay, you can begin then.
Alright. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Oh, shit.
Keep going.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. It's hard. 1 Mississippi. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi.
Okay, you can stop.
Oh no, I can't do that.
That's
shit.
okay. Do you know your ABCs?
ABCs, yep. A, B, C, D, E,
Hold
F.
on. You in school?
Me?
Yeah.
Am I in school? No, I got my diesel mechanic credits working in Caledonia, Minnesota, farming.
You graduated from high school?
Yep, graduated right from
So you know your
Australia.
ABCs?
ABCs, yep.
Can you say them to me A to Z just normal without singing them?
Yep. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. Can you count fine?
Fine? Yep.
Can you count backwards from 88 to 73 for me?
88 to 73?
Yep.
Yep. 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71.
Okay. Alright, cure PBT. Okay. One more. So this one, heels and toes touching again. This is the last one, okay? Hands down at your side,
Yep.
out of your pockets.
Sorry.
So when I say go, I want you to tilt your head all the way back. Don't go until I say it though. Tilt your head all the way back, close your eyes, and estimate the passage at 30 seconds. Okay?
Measuring to pass.
Estimate the passage at 30 seconds.
Like what happened right here.
No, estimate 30 seconds. Passing.
Estimate 30 seconds.
Passing. And when you
Okay.
feel 30 seconds has passed, I want you to open your eyes and say stop.
Okay.
Okay, so watch me. You're gonna go just like this. You're gonna tilt your head all the way back, close
Yeah.
your eyes, and then estimate 30 seconds, okay?
Alright.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, begin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Tilt your head all the way back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Was I supposed to go 30? Wow.
That's okay though. We can stop. I'm gonna have you blow on this. You haven't been drinking, right?
No, I haven't been drinking.
This will see if you've had any alcohol in your system, okay?
Right.
Alright, big breath. Zeros. You can take that tube off. Pull it.
Would it come out as
Zeros.
Zero alcohol. Completely sober in terms of drinking. But the Xanax and the weed, taken together within 2 hours of getting behind the wheel, that's what the officers are looking at. That's what caused the nystagmus. That's what tanked every single test on that sidewalk. And in Wisconsin, OWI doesn't require alcohol. It requires impairment. And impairment has been established tonight, 6 ways from Sunday. What happens next is the arrest. And honestly, given everything, it goes about as smoothly as an arrest can go.
So you're gonna be placed under arrest for OWI right now, okay?
OWI?
Yep, and then we got some testing and some paperwork, and then if all goes cooperatively, you might be able to go home, okay?
Okay.
So I gotta put you in cuffs, alright?
Rip my vape one more time.
We probably aren't gonna hit that anymore, but this won't take too long, okay? Call it Jake. Nothing on you, Jake?
Go ahead, search my pockets.
Where's my squad right there?
How long am I gonna go to jail for?
You might not even go to jail. We just gotta do some paperwork. Can you put him in my squad, Connor?
Yeah.
I gotta go ask him if this is gonna be.
Yeah, I'm just trying to be honest with you guys.
We appreciate that. I'll try to get you home if all goes well. OWI causing injury. Operating while impaired causing an injury. Yep. So hey, once we're done with this, would you be willing to do some more tests like we did on the sidewalk?
Sidewalk, yeah.
More tests like that?
Yep.
You'd be okay with doing a few more of those?
Yep. Sure
Okay.
can.
Okay. It'll be alright, man.
I didn't mean to hit your patrol car, bro.
It wasn't mine.
It didn't matter. Yeah, I can get my phone real quick.
They'll work it out once we get there, alright?
Jake was charged with OWI causing injury that night. Zero alcohol in his system. But weed smoked 2 hours before driving, plus Xanax that wasn't prescribed to him. Together, behind the wheel, through a red light at 35 miles per hour. The officer's squad was totaled. The car Jake bought 4 weeks earlier, destroyed. And the traffic light that ended up on his roof is going to be the image from this night that nobody forgets. He cooperated. He eventually told the truth. The officers were fair with him throughout, but none of that changes what happened in that intersection.